Question 3. The little star next to it says I'm going to have to give some reasons for my answers here. So let's see what the problem is. 3 shops sell the same washing machine. In which shop is the washing machine cheapest? You must show your working. For this then we're going to have to work out what cost the washing machine is in each shop and then compare them at the end. It's 5 marks, so a lot of it is going to come down to the calculations, but making sure we give a reason for our answer at the end. Start with shop A. Always make sure that you label your answers clearly. It helps to keep you organised. So for shop A, we have a £150 deposit. So we know it's at least £150. Plus £60 a month for 6 months. So this is going to be add 6 lots of 60. 6 times 60 is 360. Add 150 means for shop A, the washing machine is £510. Next we move on to shop B. Shop B says the usual price is £600, but we get 20% off. Now to work out 20% off, I prefer to think of this as maybe 80% of the final value, but because this is a non-calculator paper, I'm going to use this just as 10%, use that to work out 20% and then take it away. So using the right hand side of the page here, 10% of that original value is 600 divided by 10, so that's £60. That must make that 20% equal to 120. To find the new price then, we have 600, but we take away that saving of £120, meaning shop B is only going to charge £480. Shop C says the usual price is £720, but they're taking a quarter off. So let's work out what a quarter of 720 is so that we can take it away. If you could do it in your head, do it straight away. Otherwise, always show your working out, and I usually just do it to the side to keep it separate from where my answers would be. 4 into 7 is 1, so we carry that 300 across. Now we have 4 into 32, which is 8. Nothing carried across. 4's into 0, 0 with nothing remaining. So we're going to save £180 this time. The usual price for shop C is 720, take away 180. Again, if you can do that in your head, do it straight away. There is no harm in using part of your page just to do a very quick calculation. 720 subtract 180. 0 subtract 0 is 0. 2 subtract 8 we cannot do, so we borrow from the hundreds, bring it across to the tens. So I have 12 take away 8 is 4, 6 take away 1 is 5. So shop C charges £540. Now we've worked out what each of these values is, we can clearly see that shop B would be the cheapest. Now by simply writing shop B here, we've given all of our working out, but it might be an idea just to really clarify it, that we just want to put a little star next to it to show where our working out is. We don't have to justify it, it doesn't say give a reason, but because we've labelled all of our working out quite clearly, we've shown where all the values have come from and why we think B is the cheapest.